What a year! Challenging in so many ways, but despite those challenges, Crua delivered. We launched several new Crua Colour insulated tents, we launched our first Crua Colour blanket, and we launched the amazing Crua Air rooftop tents. Since our last campaign, you may recognise some familiar faces, but we've also added crucial personnel into key positions.
We've recently completed a full rebrand project. This has realigned our brand identity to the premium quality of our products.
The refinement of the business model and plugging into a larger ecosystem will enable us to leverage economies of scale and to access a wider pool of expertise.
I must say I'm super excited about 2022 and adopting change in delighting our customers. We strive to offer a world-class sales experience, no matter whether our customers are engaging on our website or dealing with one of our staff members. With the realigning of our brand and our premium products, we aim to improve margin.
We're back on the Seedrs platform so that we can raise the capital to implement our clear 3-year strategy.
To be successful beyond 2021, we need to have a truly omni-channel strategy. We are looking to open new media channels to acquire new customers, and we have appointed a partnership manager to increase brand awareness.
Global logistics challenges have given us the ability to be creative in our response. Our plan includes ensuring that we have the right stock in the right places at the right times. We are actively exploring bringing our manufacturing closer to our customers. This also has the added benefit of lowering our environmental impact, which is very important to us.
With more people than ever online, we need to be even more precise in our targeting. We are aligning our marketing spend and activity to be where those customers are.
As the company grows, good corporate governance is even more crucial. My job at Crua is to ensure that we have the correct policies in place, that they're aligned and adhered to.
We want to welcome back our existing investors and of course some new ones too. This is it, now is the time. Let's be brave in 2022. Embrace challenge, embrace opportunity, embrace Crua.